They're doing the conga line. Or the zombie conga line. Take your pick, which one? Dangerella here. We are at the tourist information, which obviously is the best place to get more information of where you're wanting to go. And to do, and there's so much noise going on because they're doing construction. But the casino, Sweden Stockholm casino, is down this way. Go Narvavägen. So I'm gonna quick check it out and then check out the promenade and then off to the museum. It's free. So the Swedish Museum, so we can see Viking exhibits or the Viking part of the museum. Awesome thing right now for me is I can breathe air. It's like I can't get enough of the air, clean air. There it is, Stockholm's very own casino. Pretty cool. Maybe. Little part about Stockholm. You got an outside market. Okay. Now that looks familiar. That's Cluster Poindexter. You can go on a cruise and it is a dinner buffet. Taco, shrimp and taco cruise. Rack and taco crescini. At rakorsmör ni bakat bröd. Och aioli, that's what I see it as. Aioli så mycket ni orkar. Alternative tacos med köttfärs. No, köttfärs. Köttfärs. Nah. Good try. How far deep down it goes. Goodness. Look at that. That's all 100% legit. Looks like it could have been part of the Royal Palace, maybe? Let's see. I need got to get my bearings so I can get to the Swedish Museum. It's called Park Caraplan. They're doing the conga line. Or the zombie conga line. Take your pick, which one? Alright, let's guess that's how you keep a tour group together, I guess. Elementary group, no, a middle school group together. All right, let's see. For me, well, they're still at it. They booked the change. Yeah! Couple different ones. So whenever you're in Sweden, Stockholm, you gotta try one of these. Ah, perfect.
Very, very nice.
Thanks. Tack.
Oh,
huh? Oh, oh!
thank you.
He has me on point.
Where are you from? London?
No, I'm actually from Philadelphia,
Philadelphia,
in the States. But I was telling him actually right now I've been living in Vegas.
Las Vegas.
Yeah.
Yes.
So.
Very nice.
First time for me being out in the city.
In Sweden.
But second time in Sweden.
Do you like it?
Oh yeah, of course.
Super, yes.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Oh, tack. I had it. This is my special treat. I was looking. You got the best deal. Oh yeah. That would be helpful.
No problem.
Tack.
Welcome. Happy nice day, my lady.
Oh, tack så mycket, guys. Take care. Yeah, when you're in Sweden, you have to get this. And this is what this is. Now you could have done. They had a good deal. I could have done the deal, but I already had a vatten. I already had water. Okay, so Swedish Museum. We'll go Danvavägen. This thing's huge. It's like a salad, hot dog salad. Oh. It's a mess, but it's a happy mess. It's like a sloppy Joe, a Swedish sloppy Joe dog. Swedish sloppy dog. Best street food to me, I think, ever, for Sweden. I filled you up at the Swedish Museum, the Swedish History Museum. And here we'll actually find a variety of things, Vikings, and it's free. Free things to do in Stockholm. Let's go check it out. So I have about an hour to check out the Viking portion of the museum. So you have Swedish Vikings, you have Norwegian Vikings. I'm not quite sure about Finnish. Wow, look, that's the money. That pengar. Wow, look at all this Vikings loot. All the future and silver. Keep an eye on this. Yes, there is an audience. Oh, that's pretty cool. These include. Oh, we include these. Yes. Yeah. Vast. Yes. Yeah. A vast collection. Vad styr ditt liv? tattoo machine. Oh, it's an officer. Oh. Purple.
Yeah, that's so cool. This is where they drank from. We should do this too. Yeah. We should celebrate the Viking
Protection.
festival. It's
Oh, telling a story. Everybody. Clear. Clear glass. Grease. Wise. Okay. Keep or keep wise. Cold. Through. Spirit, yeah. Strike, yes. Battle, the hell of battlefield. Occur. Well, thank you for telling your story. Tack så mycket. Frequently. And then.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.
Now, if you're on a haunted island.
yeah. On a haunted island.
You're on a haunted island! So, the guy is probably haunting the place for all we know. I've not been in there.
Haunted bird. That sounds
Oh.